Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today we're going to be walking through 42730 Sonoma, right on the new bike path that Big Bear Lake just built. Come check it out. So here we are from the street, tucked behind the trees. We have 42730 Sonoma, and what we have here is 3 stories. Could potentially, it is a 3-bedroom, could potentially be laid out as like a 4 or a 5 bedroom. You will see exactly what I mean shortly. Property lines, there isn't a really defining area right here. It kind of looks like it could potentially go this direction right here. And then on this side, let's see. We're gonna be over here past the water meter. Probably around here, it looks like. But the real treasure is right across the street. You have Rathburn Creek Trail. So this trail, once they finish building it, is going to go all the way down to the lake and all the way up to the forest. But you can see they've got different entry points right here, right here. Nice bike riding path. And then on the other side of this is going to be downtown Moonridge. So the city has been building up downtown Moonridge. They have put in roundabouts. They have a couple restaurants down there right now. So you've got Dink Donuts and the Moonridge Room, owned by the same owners. And then you've also got Karate Gym. Gilligan Log Homes is turning into a clothing store. So you've got a lot of things to do over there. You've also walking distance to the shuttle for drop off to Snow Summit and Bear Mountain. So on the outside, we do have this kind of like a carport area where you can, oh, that's a loud bird, pull in. And then we've also got a shed here as well that goes underneath the deck. So we're going to go up to the 2nd story, then we're going to go to the 3rd story, and then down to the 1st. So right here, we do have Trex decking. We've got handrails. Even though you do have the vacation rental handrails here, it is not currently a vacation rental, but could easily be one. We do have a nice gate that will close off. You'll be able to keep kids, animals, anything you want to put up here and stay up here. So beautiful decks. All of it is the Trex decking. Wraps around the house. Great colors, also in great shape on the paint as well. You do have views of Bear Mountain right here. Much larger when you are here in person. Beautiful trees all around. And so coming in, we're going to be entering in, as I said, on the 2nd floor. So coming inside, we have tile floor and then carpet. We've got that beautiful tongue and groove ceiling that we all love. And it's just a great cozy cabin in here. So currently just used as a 2nd home. It could, as I said, be a very good vacation rental. Depending upon how you want to lay it out, you could have it as like a 3-4 bedroom. And I will show you all those options here in just a moment. So here's one where you could kind of close this off a little bit and make it into a bedroom. You do have a day bed right here where you could pull that out and have a little sleeper sofa. But what a fun room. Makes for a great office as well. We do have dual pane updated windows all throughout the home too. And we have central heating in the home. So here we are coming into the living room. Carpet is in wonderful shape. And you've got, what I like is that you've got this like wainscoting right here. So it's not, you know, too much wood here. You do have some drywall up above. Chimney right here with a wood burning stove inside. So that wood burning stove does have a blower on it and will heat this whole house. TV up above the mantle. And then so going upstairs would be that hallway this way. Going downstairs will be this way. But we're going to go back here really quick, and then we'll also do the backyard very last. So coming into the kitchen, we've got a sliding barn door. That is going to take you into a full bath right here. So again, we do transition from carpet back here into the kitchen and bathroom as tile. So all the same large 12-inch tile, I would say. Full bathroom. And the shower. Super clean. And everything's just mountainy too. Love it. So here is the kitchen, mostly on the left-hand side, and then we've got on the other side, we've got the dining room. It's got like a little coffee bar area. Nice cabin, cabinetry, tile counters. No travertine backsplash. We do have a dishwasher and dual sinks. Everything just fits so nicely, so cute. And then coming over, we do have our fridge on this side, with still more storage all around. Then here we've just got, I forget the name for it, bags. Michigan, they call it bags. Dining room table. Great lighting in here too. It's just like really, really cozy. Furniture is negotiable as well. Storage. Look at that artwork. That's really cool. Okay, so first I am going to take you, let's go upstairs. So it's a beautiful picture right there. So coming upstairs, got a nice large hallway, very gradual stairs as well. Nothing too steep. I enjoy all these like vintage artifacts on the wall too. I love it. So we're at the top of the stairs. We've got bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. So one great thing is that you do have a full bedroom, bathroom on each level. So here we have first full bedroom. This one is king size bed. What I love about the way that they have these bedrooms set up is that they've kind of blown out the closet and made it more of like a storage space too, like a sitting area and storage. So really utilizing all the room. You've also got nice paneling up here, dual pane windows, and the roof, you can see the roof from here is in really good shape. And then we've got our closet. And even from here, you do have a view of Geronimo as well. Then coming into the bathroom, we're going to transition into tile. Nice, beautiful, kind of like an olive green color. Like a quartz countertop. Built-ins with oak. And nice clean tub. I like how high this is for tall people. Super clean tub. Then we're gonna go into, we do have attic access right here, which we won't go into, but we have another king size bed in here. And this one is the second full bedroom. And our view back here of the backyard. And again, kind of like blown out into what was the closet. But just great use of the rooms. So then now let's go down to the third floor. And then I'll take you to the backyard. So down here could be almost a completely separate unit if you were to lock that door off that we just came through. So coming downstairs, we do have laundry room, bedroom, master. So here we are. We have the laundry. And then storage behind the wall. And this is going to be where your utility room is, the water heater, the furnace. And then here we've got concrete, and here we've got wood tile flooring. So coming in, we've got it set up like a bedroom. Down here, double queen bunk beds, and this is the access from the outside where we first walked up. Super cute, kind of a great kids room area. And then this is going to be the master. Down here you've got a king size bed, still the same tile down here below. Great storage, heating that is going to reach all the way downstairs, and then into the master bathroom, which is newer. Got nice quartz counter top, storage behind the door, medicine cabinet, and even a closet built in here. So great space in there, and a shower. It's a beautiful pebble flooring, nice big shower. Beautiful barnwood. Okay, so let's go take a look at the backyard now. Okay, so here we are coming into the back. We do have like a DG in the back. We are fenced back here as well. We've got a little outdoor grill right here. Beautiful tree and foliage that kind of gives you some privacy. Nice big pine trees. Oh, that one's a good one. That one smells real good. Like this pine cone pile. And then our hot tub. So there you have it. Magical little place over here on Sonoma. Let me know what you think. Just hit the market for $569.9. Come check it out. Bye.